Let me show you how we can factory reset our Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. I'm gonna show you all main methods that allow you to do so. So the first method is to simply go to settings. Over here, we're gonna find the general management. There we go. And now in here, we have the reset option. If you go over here, then you should be able to find factory data reset. Of course, we'll have the summary of everything that will be removed, which is pretty much everything that you have on the internal storage. So remember to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose. And of course, after that, tap on the reset button, enter your screen lock password, and just continue. Now, on the other hand, if you want to perform the factory reset through recovery mode, then first of all, we need to power off your tablet. So I'm gonna press and hold the power button, and let's power off. Now, you will have to connect your tablet to your computer to be able to go to the recovery mode, so make sure to do that. And once we connect the tablet, you will need to wait for the battery information because we are charging our tablet right now through the computer. So you will see a logo, a charging logo over here, and then after a couple of seconds you will see the battery information, and we are waiting for that. But once you see the logo, the information about the battery, you will have to press and hold the power button and the volume up button, and you will need to hold these two buttons until you see the Samsung logo. So now we're gonna press and hold these two buttons, as I mentioned, the power button and volume up, and just keep holding. And once you see the Samsung logo, there we go. Now we can release both buttons and we should be in the recovery mode. There we go. Use the volume buttons over here in order to navigate. And you want to go to wipe data / factory reset, and you confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Now over here, go to factory data reset and confirm your choice once again by using the power button. After that, you might need to have additional steps, but if not, then most likely you will go back to the main menu of recovery mode. So over here, you want to then choose reboot system now. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.